hey, this is going to hurt, but it's going to be worth it. I want you to take a quick second, and I want you just to think about all the bad things that have happened to you in your life, all the times you were slighted, all the times you were let down, all the times people have given up on you or not even given you a chance. It's difficult thinking about it, isn't it? Now I want you to be super grateful for all that happening to you. Every time somebody didn't give you a chance, it made you stronger. Every time you were let down or lied to, it made you more resilient. It made you more focused on what you need to do. I want you to take all of the bad things that have happened in your life, and I want you to make them make you stronger. You're going to appreciate your success a lot more than somebody that didn't have to work for it. I believe in you. You need to start believing in yourself too. And all the stuff that's happened up until this point was just getting you ready for right now. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.